welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing a little tutorial on this look. So if you want to see what that finished look looks like, then you know, keep on watching. But before we go, we got to do a few housekeeping things. Hit that subscribe button, click that bell getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm going to roll with this little fun summer look with, we're going to use the Saharan 2 palette today. This is, again, Juvia's Place artwork. It's just so gorgeous. But here are the colors inside so you can kind of see what's going on. So we're going to kind of have some fun a little bit. So I'm going to go in this color right here and start my transition. So I've done that, and so now I'm going to take this little fluffier brush from BH. That first brush I used was from BH as well, and so is this one. This is from the Weekend Festival collection. Sorry, I'm trying to find my color switch. So I'm gonna kind of clean off some of the old stuff. And I'm going to go, so that first shade I used is, what does that say? So Taza, so that's the transition shade. And now I'm going to go into, then I'm going to go into Fez and deepen it up. Go back in with that first brush and kind of blend all of this together. Alright, so now I'm going to take this is the e.l.f. eye crease brush, and I'm going to dip into both of those colors and go on the outer portion of my lid. I'm going to go put on my glitter primer off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to put my little mouse ears on so I can kind of keep my hair out of my face for a hot second. So here we go. Yes, my little sparkly mouse ears. Okay, so back to the look. I done put my glitter primer on my lids, and so now I'm going to go into, I'm going to do 2 shades on my lid. So first we're going to roll with, kind of get this craziness out the way. Yeah, I'm going to go into Marrakesh up here and put that on the outer portion. So now Currently the brush I'm using is the AOA Studio E122 brush. Now I'm going to go into, I hope I don't butcher this name, Shifkawan, this little light blue right here. I'm going to put that in the inner portion of my lid. So now that I've done those two shades, I'm going to kind of go back into Marrakesh and just kind of blend and fix anything that needs to get blended and fixed. Okay, so now I'm going to take my fabulous Morphe E36 brush. This is like my little detail bullet head brush that I like to use. See if I can get that. There we go. Yes, nice little dome head bulletproof brush. I'm going to not knock anything over. I'm going to wet this. Now I'm going to go into the color Berber right here. This is really beautiful blue right here, and I'm going to take that all on my bottom lid. Decided to go a little kaput on me. It has some weird little message, so I just kind of let it chill for a second. So I finished the color on my bottom lid off camera, and now I'm going to go into this Aziza right here and put that in my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go off camera, do my eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm about to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in dark and contour my face. Alright, so now I'm done with that, and now I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetic Classic Blush palette, and I'm going to go into, I think I'll go into, whoops, we'll just take that off as it falls. We'll go into this shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to, here it is. Ooh, I'm going to use the new Duo Highlight palette from BH Cosmetics. I think I'm going to go, it's a lot of colors to work with here. I mean, look at all those. I mean, you see I swatched them. I put my swatches up yesterday on my Facebook group and my Instagram page. So you got the full-fledged feeling of all of these shades. But I think I'm going to go into, double whammy right here. Oops, there you go. Double whammy. And I'm going to put that as my highlight. Okay, so if you didn't see it, so it comes off, I'll kind of show you in the camera. It comes off, I'm going to pull that back a little bit so we can show it. It's being a butt. Come on, little camera. There we go. Okay, so as you can see on the brush, it's pink. It's obviously pink. But once it applies to the face, I'll do it on this side so you can kind of see. It has almost like a green shift to it, which is kind of fun actually. It's summertime. I'm going to have a little fun around here if you are. So yeah, it looks pink. Again, I'll dip in the brush so you can see. It's obviously pink. Come on, focus. Come on, little camera. There we go. Okay. So as you can see on the brush, it's pink. It's obviously pink. But when it, obviously you can see as it's on the skin, it's green. Like it swatches green. It almost has a, come on, let's see if we can get it to focus. Come on, little camera. There we go. Okay, so it has like a green shift to it. So if you enjoy things like that, this will be a fun little highlight palette. So I can kind of bring that out. Bring that down the nose a little bit. And have a little fun here. Have a little fun. Let's see how this rolls. I'm kind of digging it. I'll let that kind of just, it's like a different kind of look to it. Alright, so now I'm going to finish this off with the, if you haven't realized how much of a klutz I am by now, you just saw that, yeah. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter finishing spray. Gonna spray this. I'm just gonna fan it dry. Okay, so now lip wise, just kind of just do let's see, honey. Let me grab my lip bag. Yes, my infamous lip bag. So sparkly. Very, it's like a duochrome shift, like iridescence. So let's see what I got in here. Yeah, this look calls for my tried and true kind of fun lipstick. So we'll roll with this is the Maybelline Color Sensational in the shade, you can see that it's Pink Wink. So we're gonna roll with that on my lips right now. Okay. And then we'll top it off with some, yes. This is a NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Maple Blondie. And we'll put this on top. Alrighty. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this little tutorial that I just did. It's kind of like a fun summer look using the new, where'd it go? I just had it, here it is. Using this new BH Cosmetics Duo Highlight Palette. If you haven't gotten this, like, you are late in the game. I need you to go get this palette. This palette is absolutely stunning. Again, if you want to see the swatches for that, you can go to my Instagram page or my Facebook group, which is Kelly H Town, but you have to friend me and then I will add you to that group. But this is a really fun palette. I highly recommend it. Again, hopefully you enjoyed this look. Before you go, it's only customary, if you come into this lovely world that I've created, that you hit that subscribe button. Hit it. Comment below. Let me know how you feel about this look. Is this something that you would try? Is it something that would interest you, or you kind of want to, you know, get out your comfort zone? Because I'm starting to I really love playing around with color and color combinations, and so I really wanted to kind of get some use out of that Saharan 2 palette, just to kind of show what different looks I can create rather than just my typical neutrals. So this is very kind of bright and colorful, like a mix of neutral and color. So hopefully if this is something that you can rock with, go ahead and do it. And until next time guys, deuces.